Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your logo and color in Confluence Cloud in just a few simple steps. From your Confluence Space homepage, click the Settings icon in the left sidebar to open the General Configuration page. The Configuration panel loads with several customization sections available. On the Configuration menu, click Customize Navigation to open the customization options. This reveals the logo and color settings for your space navigation. Under the Logo section, click Select File to upload to open your File Explorer. Navigate to the folder containing your logo image, select the file, and click Open to upload it. The file begins uploading to your space. The new logo uploads and replaces the default Confluence icon in the preview. You'll see your uploaded image appear in place of the standard icon. Now, to change the color scheme, click the Highlight Color drop-down to open the color picker. A color spectrum panel appears with a range of hues to choose from. Click anywhere on the color spectrum to choose your color, then click the Add button to apply it. Your selected color is now set as the highlight color for the navigation and appears in the preview above. Next, click the Background Color drop-down to open the color picker again. Select your background color from the spectrum and click Add to apply that color as well. The background updates in the preview. Once you're happy with both colors, click the Save button at the top to apply all your changes to the space. Your customized logo and colors are now live across your navigation. Your logo image should ideally be square or close to square for the best fit in the navigation bar. Rectangular images may get cropped. If you want to change these settings later, you can always come back to Customize Navigation from the Settings icon and update either the logo or colors individually. The highlight color affects interactive elements like buttons and links, while the background color changes the sidebar itself, so choose colors that contrast well for readability. And that's how to customize your Confluence Space branding. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.